Looks like probably an ink. Yeah. It's an ink bottle. Probably from the Diamond Ink Company or Carter's. Doesn't say for sure. But there's a little amber bottle over here. It's got like a ribbed pattern. I just missed it with the shovel. Perfect. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name's Tom. I go around the US digging up Pioneer era artifacts. Today I'm in Leeds, North Dakota, standing on a parking lot that once had a house here. Over 100 years ago, the Johnson family lived in it. It's been torn down for many years, but I got permission to excavate the grounds and hopefully we can find some signs from when they lived here. This is the copy of an old map from 1908, and it shows that there were houses on this lot. We gridded and probed out the area and found this spot that has a loss of compaction. We kicked some marks in the ground. So we're about to open it up and see what's down there. Just about through the topsoil, and this machine-made drugstore bottle came out, and then this little cobalt blue thing, tooled top. That's great age. Hopefully this is a sign of what's to come. We have a piece in the corner over here. An amber bottle. Chemical bottle of some sort. Could be hydrogen peroxide. Circa 1920. Just below the surface. This one came out here. Looks like a little juice bottle from about 1920. Maybe 1930. And possibly a shoe polish. Early machine made. Over here is some kind of dinnerware piece. Okay, teacup. And some kind of big bottle here. Maybe some kind of pharmacy drugstore bottle. Alright, that's a tooled top. And we're still on Start of the pit. Drugstore bottle. Perfect. There's a large metal object. I think it's some kind of wash basin. Been clearing around it. Looks like some kind of Vaseline container. Graniteware bowl wash basin. Always amazes me how well this stuff survives in the ground. This has probably been in the ground for 100+ years. Awesome. We're definitely in an outhouse pit. Look at that color. We're getting into a solid use layer. This was just above. It's a juice bottle of some sort and a drugstore bottle. There's also a couple on the way out here. It's like probably an ink. Yeah. It's an ink bottle, probably from the Diamond Ink Company or Carter's. Doesn't say for sure. But there's a little amber bottle over here. It's got like a ribbed pattern. I just missed it with the shovel. Wow. Might be a little poison or something. It's ribbed. Tooled top. Well, the pit's all finished up. It's shallow, 3 feet deep, but here's the haul anyway. A Vaseline container, ink bottle, chemical bottle, generic jar, a couple of colorful poison bottles, some drugstore bottles, a shoe polish container, a couple juice bottles, this wash basin, some pitchfork heads, and some ironstone china. Everything here dated from about 1910, could be the original pit from the house. We'll get it filled back in.